Are you tired of vacuuming every other day, especially if you have pets or a busy lifestyle? Let me introduce you to something that might change your cleaning routine forever. The Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum. This little genius is self-emptying, so you can go up to 8 weeks completely hands-free. There's no need for daily dustbin dumping. The auto-empty station does all the work for you. What impressed me is the LiDAR smart mapping system. It scans your entire home in real time, creating precise maps and cleaning routes. This means it never misses a spot or bumps around aimlessly. At just 2.85 inches slim, it easily glides under furniture, sofas, and beds, those hard-to-reach areas that traditional vacuums can't handle. Don't let the size fool you. This vacuum has powerful suction that lifts dirt, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. The Edge Expansion Brush is a smart addition. It cleans along walls and corners for a perfect edge-to-edge finish. You can control everything from the Eufy app. Set schedules, adjust suction power, or even draw no-go zones. Plus, it works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home for easy voice control. If you want a spotless home without lifting a finger, the Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum is a total game-changer. It's quiet, smart, powerful, and designed for modern homes. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description now and buy the product. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.